Hello friends, if your iPhone speaker sounds too low or no sound, in this video, I'll show you some quick and easy ways to fix it. Let's get started. First, check the volume and silent mode. Press the volume up button on the side to ensure it's at the highest level. Also, check if silent mode is on. Press and hold on the action button to turn off silent mode if the action button is not customized. Otherwise, disable it from the Control Center or Settings app. Under the Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics and toggle the Disable Silent Mode toggle. For iPhone models with the flip switch, turn the silent switch on the side and make sure it's off. Second, check your sound settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under Ringer and Alerts, slide the volume to the right. Make sure Change with Buttons is turned on. We can use the side buttons to increase or decrease the volume level. Check the audio balance if you have a problem with the left or right speaker. Go to Settings, scroll to Accessibility, and find the Audio and Visual option. Again, scroll to the last and check the balance. Stay in the center position to fix the problem. Third, clean out the speaker grill. If your speakers are clogged, the sound may be muffled. Take a soft toothbrush or a dry cotton swab and gently clean the speaker grills. Avoid using liquids. If you are not aware of this kind of cleaning, then contact Apple support. Find a nearby Apple support center and ask for help. Fourth, disable Bluetooth. Your iPhone might be connected to a nearby Bluetooth device. Your iPhone's output device is playing sound. Swipe down from the top right to open the Control Center. Tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off. Fifth, restart your iPhone sometimes. A simple restart can fix sound issues. Press and hold the power and volume up buttons until you see slide to power off. Then, swipe your finger to turn off your iPhone. Turn it back on after 30 seconds. Sixth, update iOS. A software bug could be causing the issue. Go to the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, install it. Seventh solution is reset all settings. If nothing works, reset all settings. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap General. Again, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset all settings and confirm it. That's it. Please try these steps and let me know in the comments if they work for you. Still, the problem is not resolved. I recommend getting free or paid repair from app. Check your iPhone warranty status online and book an appointment at Apple Genius Bar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips.